Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Monday the 2nd of June. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and as you can see we've got the new monthly pivots in. Now these are often hit earlier in the month, but we have got a hell of a lot of news out this week, and it may just stop the euro in its tracks of touching the pivot quite early on, but we'll see. Looking at where we are at the moment, we put a pivot swing in on Friday, which if we break the tops of that, I would expect a bit of a continuation. They often are reversal type candles or reversal patterns, so that may help it towards the upside there. On the shorter time frame at the moment, what you can see is a little bull flag actually. Oops, sorry, I should have just left it as it was. You can see this bull flag pattern sitting there. Now it just needs to get a bit of a move on. At the moment, there's the bull flag. I mean, at the moment it's just stalling a little bit. This current 4-hourly bar is a bit indecisive, but if it can break Friday's highs, well, that could really just confirm the further upside. To the downside, of course, we've got the lows of last week, and it's obvious targets if we do see a breakdown. We are testing the underside of this 200, so daily 200, so it may just fail at this point. Okay, moving on to the pound dollar, and let's have a look at the price on its own at the moment. Again, pivot pretty close to us above there, so there's a chance of that being hit at some point. And again, we put in a little pivot swing on Friday, although we had this sort of gap open, which has left this funny old candle that we're seeing on a daily basis at the moment, but the gap's being closed, so there is a possibility at some point of the run to the upside there. To the sort of, if we do get the continuation to the downside, I would have liked to have seen this one-to-one move completed to the downside at some point, but I mean, it may be we just rally into the monthly pivot and roll over this week. So just looking there, short term again, really sort of in this there's a little bull flag on the 4-hourly point of view, which could say is the weekly pivot just above us and the monthly pivot, so it could just sort of draw us up to these sort of levels and see the continuation. As I say, there's a pivot swing on both the cable and the euro, which just as I say is normally a bullish setup. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.